Welcome back, students. This is Professor Srikanth Betgiri. Today we are going to discuss a student mark sheet using Excel in computer lessons. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. So let us see the student mark sheet using Excel. So please subscribe the button. When we enter into an MS Excel, means Microsoft Excel, so the page is open. Excel sheet called as worksheet. It consisting an work area where we are going to enter the details or data information in the Excel sheet itself. So I entered in title Balai Rudrapa Degree College, Motivinur, Bcom 4th semester, serial number, name, computer subject BL, 6 subjects, computer BL, accounting, stats, FM, CA, total, percentage and grade for the required subject, serial numbers, names, subject marks of all subjects. You should enter your manually. So when we came to the make a total or to calculate a total here, so you should follow the rows and columns, selecting a cell that is I4. Here you are going to enter the formula. For that you nominate, that is in the cell I4 we can enter the manually, that is C4, D4, E4 plus, F4 plus, G4 plus, H4. So this is the manual formula where you are entering the cell address as a cell reference by using the operator. Nothing but plus operator. So you will get the total of that particular 6 subjects related to the row 8 student. So the second format is auto sum. So by pressing the auto sum, here we are going to give an function name or inbuilt function to calculate the required subject marks. So here we are giving a function name and arguments, nothing but a range of cell we called as C5 plus H5. So this is what the formula which is created by inbuilt from the Excel sheet. So finally you drag it to all the students. So next is percentage. So percentage, we are selecting J4 cell, assigning equal sign. So the first format is by selecting the I4, which is the total marks divided by 6 subjects, we will get the percentage. So the second format is by using the inbuilt function, nothing but average function, and providing the cell range from starting subject marks to ending subject marks. We will get the result, that is nothing but average is a function name, C5 is the cell address which is first subject marks, H5 is last subject marks as a range of cell. So this is the second format. Here you should drag the total all student marks. So the grade, we should find out the grade depending upon the subject which is passed in the examination and failed in the examination, and grade for the percentage, nothing but distinction, FC means first class, second class and just pass, and the failed subjects. So here we are going to enter the nested if condition with AND operator. So to check the condition here, so I am giving the formula, that is equal to if open bracket and open bracket C4 is greater than equal to 32, D4 is greater than equal to 32, comma E4 is greater than equal to 32, comma F4 is greater than equal to 32, G4 is greater than equal to 32, comma H4 is greater than equal to 32, comma. So these all conditions it will checks a one by one subject which is greater than or 32 or not. If it is greater than 32, so it will consider the mass as a pass. If is less than 32, so this condition it will consider as the mass as a fail. So the next is J4. So J4 we should condition to get the grade for the required percentage. So if J4 is greater than 72, that we assign as a distinction. If J4 is greater than 60, greater than equal to 60, comma, assigned as first class, comma again if that we called as a nested if J4 is greater than equal to 50, comma, double quotes, second class or pass. So close the bracket one time, two time, three time. So color notification it was showing. So comma again. Otherwise the subject is fail. Close. Press enter. So just see and note down the formula where it will give the grade to the required subject marks or percentage. So checking the marks and giving the percentage for the obtained percentage. So press enter now. So the distinction where we assigned it above 70 percentage distinction fail. So why it was showing fail means in the computer subject the student Sadiq got the 22 marks here, so it was showing the fail. It is not equal to or greater than 32, so it was showing the fail. So here the Sandeep student got the 29 and Shweta also got 30. So all are less than 32 marks, so the students are showing fail. Okay, so please note on the formulas, write down the exam. Thank you.